Hello and welcome. You're watching the AutoWave YouTube channel. Today's video topic is BSM, which means Blind Spot Monitoring System. What is this system? Who introduced it and when? How does it work? Which sensors operate this system? At what time it is useful? And how does it help the driver? So friends, stay with us till the end so that every point becomes a part of your knowledge. To easily understand blind spot monitoring, we first need to understand some important words so that their meaning is clear in the video and there is no confusion. Blind spot monitoring. Blind means unable to see or hidden from sight. Spot means place or location. By blind spot, it is meant the places around the car which are not directly visible to the driver, meaning they are hidden from sight, whether it is the side mirror or the rear view mirror. In both of these places or spots are often hidden. These are the spots where if another car, motorcycle, or any other vehicle is present, it is difficult for the driver to see it, and this can be a big reason for accidents. Through this visual you can easily understand, gray area is the part which is seen in the side or rear view mirrors, while red area is the blind spot, which usually is not visible to the driver. So friends, this red part is actually called the blind spot. On roads, lane is the marked part where cars move in a row in one direction, so that traffic stays organized and safe. So lane changing means moving the car from one lane to another so that the car behind can be given way or a slow vehicle can be overtaken. Usually, this system gives 3 types of alerts: visual alert, audible alert, haptic alert. In visual alert, a warning light turns on in the side view mirror when a vehicle is in the blind spot. In some new models, the warning is seen on the heads-up display or on the meter display. In audible alert, the driver is alerted at that time through a special beep or warning tone when they try to change lane while a vehicle is in the blind spot. In haptic alert, the driver is alerted through a light vibration of the steering wheel or seat when they try to change lane and a vehicle is in the blind spot. The method and functionality of alert systems vary according to the model and variant of each car. In many models, this functionality is also there that if the driver ignores the visual warning and turns on the turn signal for lane change, despite the presence of a vehicle in the blind spot, the system understands it as a possible accident risk. In this case, the system tries to keep the car in the lane by automatic braking and steering correction so that possible accidents can be avoided. Blind spot monitoring system uses corner radar sensors or mirror-mounted side cameras to monitor the blind area. Corner radars are mounted behind the rear bumper on both right and left corners. While mirror-mounted side cameras are mounted on the side view mirrors. Both of these play an important role not only in the blind spot monitoring system, but also in other advanced driver assistance systems. Different car makers give different names to blind spot monitoring. The names are different, but the basic function of all is the same. Every manufacturer keeps a unique name for their marketing strategy and branding, so that they can show their system as different and advanced in the market. All these names are basically related to the same system. Different car makers sometimes used similar names, while some adopted slightly different or special names to show their system as unique. Even though the basic work of these systems is the same, there is a difference in the type of alert, like sound, vibration, warning light, braking, or help in steering as extra features. This is also why companies introduce these systems with different names. The question is, which company introduced the blind spot monitoring system first? Volvo was the first automaker company that introduced this system in 2003 with the branding name Blind Spot Information System. After that, different car maker companies implemented the same system in their cars under different names. Note: the blind spot monitoring system in some cars works in a limited range, while in some models it is more accurate and has a long range. In some cars, it even works with 360-degree view cameras and becomes more advanced, showing the vehicles in the blind spot on the screen. So friends, this was a tech overview of the blind spot monitoring system. In the next videos, we will understand more modern advanced driver assistance systems. Make sure to subscribe to my channel AutoWave so that every new video reaches you on time.